Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. If y'all been following my videos along, you know I got some sweet potatoes in my imperfect food box. So y'all know what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make a sweet potato pie, old school style sweet potato pie. So I got little bitty ones. So I'm looking at them, doing my calculations. I figured I'd get enough. I bake these off. So I don't over bake them too long. I get enough sweet potatoes out of them to make a pie. And y'all know already, if you see my sweet potato pies, I bake my potatoes. I don't peel them and boil them. I bake them, scoop the potatoes out the skin, and make my pie like that. I do that for two reasons. It keeps the color of the sweet potato a nice bright orange color, and also preserves the natural sweetness of the potato. If you boil the potatoes, common sense, I go back and forth with people like this all the time. Anytime you boil something, you boil out the nutrients and the color right into the water. You pour the water right into the sink. I want to preserve everything. If y'all been following me enough, you know I'm all about flavors. Not only the look of the food, but the flavor. I know a lot of y'all don't taste my food, but if you taste it, you will never need any seasoning on your table, nothing, because I make sure it is not over seasoned, but perfectly seasoned according to the taste. So anyway, enough rambling on. I'm gonna get these in the oven and get this baked on 350. Probably take about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour to cook, and I'll be back when they're ready. Scoop them out, add the other ingredients to it, and put it in the pie shell and bake it off. We'll be back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, my sweet potatoes are ready. Got them ready here, nice and soft. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let them cool about 30 minutes because I can't handle them right now. I'm gonna let them cool like 30 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and take them out the skin here, and then we're gonna finish off the recipe here. I hope it's enough to fill up a deep dish pie shell. Like I said, these are the only potatoes I have. I got in my imperfect food box, so I'm gonna utilize this by making a sweet potato pie. So anyway, we'll be back in about 30 minutes. Okay, y'all, we back. I got the potato peel. See how nice and pretty these are? Nice and pretty and orange these are. So we're gonna make this pie. See, we got enough filling to fill up this. I got a deep dish pie shell here. I pour baked it just a little, not much. Whip these eggs up as much as possible. Eggs in here. Sugar in here. Scrape my bowl down here. And I use a mixer, so any string that's in here, they're gonna come out on the mixer here. Sometimes you get bagged potatoes that have strings. So I like to use my beater. Put my cinnamon nutmeg in here. Vanilla. Butter. I put a little evaporated milk in there, mine. That's it, y'all. That is it. Now, what I'm gonna do, pour in my pie shell, see if I got enough filling, y'all. See how I do. Oh yeah. Not bad. There we go. With just enough potatoes, y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna put in the oven 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. Come back, we're gonna have some old school sweet potato pie. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, been 45 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that pretty pie here. Take it off the pan here. We're gonna leave it on the counter here. Let it cool off for about 2 or 3 hours. I'm gonna let it cool off and we're gonna come back and we definitely gonna cut us a slice and see how it is. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, I let this kind of cool off about 3 hours. We're gonna cut this here and see what we got here, y'all. We're gonna see what we got. Y'all know I always be cutting the big pieces. I always cut the big pieces, y'all. Okay. Y'all know the first piece always the hardest to get up out of here. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at that. That's a nice old school sweet potato pie. See that? Okay, let's try this out here. Let me try a little piece of this. Give me a fork here. Okay. Let me see here. Wow. It's so smooth. No strings, of course. Oh my God. Nothing more southern and nothing more old school than sweet potato pie, y'all. Doesn't get no better. And it's more, I think I made sweet potato pie more than any pie ever. Because it's a staple in the South. Christmas, Thanksgiving, got sweet potato pie. Very easy to make. And the key is, you see how orange and flavorful, if you taste the flavor, the key is to bake your sweet potatoes. Don't boil them. Very important. They change the whole flavor of your pie. But anyway, it's another way to use up my 4 sweet potatoes I got in my Imperfect Foods box. I just turned it into a sweet potato pie. Really didn't cost me but a couple of bucks, really. But anyway, enough of that. Please comment, please share, please like this. I like those thumbs up. That really helps a lot. If you like this recipe, comment, share, thumbs up. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.